Are you the one who always goes for the pickle before anything else at the dinner table? And you often wonder how your favorite pickle gets to have the perfect crunch and tangy flavor. Gherkins, pickled cucumbers, or simply plain pickles are all just terms for the same irresistible treat that you'll never be able to say no to. Join us as we explore the fascinating process of picking cucumbers and making pickles. Have you ever wondered how advanced cucumber harvest machines contribute to the massive harvest of millions of tons every year? From the farm to the jar, discover every stage of the process, such as the harvesting, cleaning, slicing, brining, and packing. Learn about the meticulous quality assurance measures and advanced techniques that guarantee each jar of pickles exceeds high standards. Sowing machines ensure that every seed is positioned precisely in the soil for healthy growth when the seeding time starts. The seeds need a lot of care after planting in order to sprout into beautiful young plants. Do you know why the farmers keep bees nearby? They are busy little workers and excellent pollinators. Their nectar gathering improves crop output and quality, providing us with even better produce. As the saplings reach maturity, a group of farmers come to harvest the ripe cucumbers they have nurtured. In order to help workers harvest quickly and efficiently while avoiding the intense heat, they have introduced a smart system. Why not harvest with machines? You may ask. Well, get ready to witness the magic of automation. To efficiently gather, transport, and store cucumbers, they've developed a smart device. How they do it all with just one person is incredible. This method helps big companies reduce their labor costs by making a one-time investment in these agricultural breakthroughs. So far, China has produced the largest quantity of cucumbers among all the nations. What are the numbers, by the way? Every year, they yield over 77 million tons of cucumbers. That's an incredible achievement, no doubt. Some of you may be skeptical about the number, but it's achievable with this amazing engineering. Washing and getting ready for pickling are the next steps after harvesting the cucumbers. So, we have come to a temporary facility to clean the cucumbers. This is a crucial stage. The cucumbers must be thoroughly cleaned and free of any dirt or pesticide residue before they are pickled. The workers manually check to ensure that only premium cucumbers make their way towards you. Now they transport the cucumbers to the main unit, where they will finally prepare the pickles. First, let's examine them as they unload truckloads of fresh cucumbers, making sure each one meets their quality standards before proceeding. Now examine these brining units more closely. They are crucial for preserving cucumbers as pickles. Brining is the process of soaking the cucumbers in a special solution that contains secret ingredients that give pickles their distinct tart flavor. Usually, the brine solution is made of salt and water. This important step helps the cucumbers get crispier by draining extra water from them. The brine not only preserves them, but also starts the pickling process by infusing the cucumbers with these ingredients. This makes it an ideal base for incorporating a range of aromatic spices that add to the unique flavor of pickles. Pickle lovers can't resist the way these ingredients, which range from dill and garlic to mustard seeds and peppercorns, transform regular cucumbers into a wonderfully tart delight. Acidification is a key step in creating the distinct sour flavor of pickles. An acidifying agent such as vinegar is added to achieve this. This is an important step because it raises the cucumber's acidity by adjusting their pH level. This prevents harmful bacteria from forming, which not only improves the flavor but also helps in preservation. The heat processing stage is the next step. They gradually heat the brine and cucumber mixture to the right temperature. The pasteurization process ensures that the pickles are safe to eat by eliminating all harmful bacteria. This stage aids in effectively sealing the jars for packaging intended for long-term preservation. It's packing time for the pickles once they're heated. They place the hot pickles into sterilized jars, making sure they are completely immersed in the brine. The cucumbers must be submerged in order to preserve their flavor and texture. After making sure the pickles are completely immersed in the brine and being packed into sterilized jars, the jars are carefully sealed. By doing this, they lock in the freshness and guarantee that you can savor the pickles for months to come. The pickle jars are sealed, allowed to cool down to room temperature, and then placed in a cool, dark location. It's important to store and cool pickles properly since they preserve their flavor and texture over time. Usually, pickles can be stored for a year or more under these conditions, but every maker may have different methods, like different spice mixtures or brining periods, which might affect the pickle's taste and consistency in the end. These modifications guarantee that every batch of pickles has a unique flavor profile that appeals to all kinds of pickle lovers. Depending on the company's recipe, The cucumbers rest in brine for 1 to 4 weeks. And once the cucumbers have absorbed all that flavor, it's time to carefully deal with the delicate piles of pickles using the heavy lifting machinery. First, let's have a look at the sliced ones. Watching this pile of cut pickles will make you crazy. Everything is done mechanically. They start off as regular cucumbers and turn into delicious pickles that will tempt pickle lovers everywhere. Check out as sliced pickles are added to these jars along with a special liquid that will keep them fresh for as long as you want. Now they are ready to be dispatched. Now let's take a closer look at another company's pickling process, which offers a complete new ballgame of flavors and techniques. Different companies are aware that washing or cleaning cucumbers is necessary to guarantee their safety and health for consumers. However, did you know that pickles, or gherkins as we call them, have many health advantages besides being delicious? Cucumber pickles preserve some of the minerals found in cucumbers, such as potassium and vitamin K. However, the brining procedure makes them very rich in sodium. These crispy treats soothe your stomach and revitalize your body since they are loaded with gut-friendly bacteria and hydrating goodness. According to certain research, chemicals found in cucumbers may even be able to help control blood sugar levels. Now, it's time to add a special spice to the pickles, none other than dill. As they prepare the bottles with additional spices, it's something important to note. The fiber in cucumber pickles, especially the skin-on varieties, promotes digestion. They help maintain regularity and prevent constipation. A popular condiment and snack, cucumber pickles are available in a variety of flavors. Here are some details regarding pickled cucumbers. Cucumber types. Pickling cucumbers are small and have a firm texture, which makes them ideal for pickling. Kirby cucumbers are one of the most popular varieties. Flavors. Depending on the ingredients used, the flavor of cucumber pickles can vary greatly. Dill pickles, bread and butter pickles, and spicy pickles are popular flavors. Brine. Water, vinegar, salt, and occasionally sugar make up the brine solution used in pickling. This mixture serves as a preservative in addition to adding flavor to the pickles. Processing. Pickles can be processed using a variety of techniques. Refrigerator pickles are fast pickles that are kept in the refrigerator for short-term storage, rather than canning. Canned pickles are prepared in heated jars to guarantee preservation, allowing them to be stored at room temperature. Every company has its own unique way of making pickles, but what we're witnessing here is a whole different process where the pickles will be prepared and ready to eat right out of your containers. In comparison to the slicing cucumbers, these pickling cucumbers are basically blockier, have bumpier skin, and are shorter, between 3 and 6 inches. This will be a great experience for those who enjoy eating these whole pickled cucumbers. Which type of pickle is your favorite, sliced or whole? Share your preference in the comments. Why not subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video? Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss any updates. Thanks for watching.